I install anyone to Windows or any Microsoft Office 2016, so I always keep the file over here, my software. So Microsoft Office Professional 2016 plus, that's the name, activate tool like that. Inside that one and disk image. This office file is said to be a ISO file, so don't worry about that. I'll show you how to open it that one. And for now, let me see what's the problem. Okay, enter the office product key like that one. It's coming asking the product key, and you have to do it. And here active like that. So once I can able to type it, and say in the Windows has been September 21 is going to be a deactivate like that. So if you press activate, you have to pay it Microsoft reasonable amount. Reasonable amount does mean they have to pay it by dollar. So unfortunately, I am using some kind of crack. So it came with that ISO file. So let me see it over here, account, and here like that. I'm going to close this one for right now. There is a file available I install it to Windows Office, some other, well, I always keep the file the computer. Like sometime if you can't find it desktop, you can find it local disk E, maybe E, F like that one. So let me show you how to do it. Control right click, open with, and said we have Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is open with. Before that you have to disable virus card. Let me disable that one. Windows 10 I'll show you how to disable real-time virus card. I have to disable it. So once over here and virus card manager, virus card threat, and real-time virus card is last the permission, and no, I already closed that. Okay, so double click, and over here click that one, and Office real. It will take a few minutes to finish. I think it's completed. Again press active Office, that button, it will gray out. Give me a few minutes time, it will automatically sort out the problem. So okay, let me test it, is it working or not. So I already opened this one, no? Last time I opened that file. Okay, look at that, no any messages. So if we go here, account, so that's it. It's not a rocket science, guys. So I just mostly I'm recording this session for, and in our hometown area, that one most of the computer who my repair it, I just keep the all the software files in location EDF like that, other way desktop one location, like call my software. So inside of my software like that file, and once you double click that ISO file, you will get like that file. Right click, once you finish everything, right click, eject. That's it. So it's basically illegal. Anyhow, I just make it one, record it and upload it. Otherwise, I have to do it everyone one by one in future. So if anyone do it any problem with this one, follow the instruction and do it like that. Thank you.